Hi everyone, I am reviewing a pair of shoes for you today. We are at Shoes of Hollywood. So today I am going to review the Delight black faux leather. They come in this gorgeous box. Which if you know me, you know I love my boxes. I keep them all. I keep all my shoes in my boxes. And if I don't keep my shoes in them, I keep other things, scarves, costume jewelry, bikinis. So each shoe does come in its own individual dust bag, which is super important because I don't wear shoes like this every day. So they are sitting in my wardrobe for a long time. So keep them in the dust bag and it will protect them because they will get dusty, trust me. You think you don't have dust in your wardrobe, you do. Dust is everywhere. Included in your box is a drawstring bag, which you can use for travel. Just protects your shoes and doesn't take up as much room as the box. So if you are limited for space in your wardrobe, definitely use that or just the dust bags. Alright, I am going to try these on for you now. They have a gorgeous buckle. This does not need to be undone to put them on. And the mesh, so you don't need to undo the buckle, you simply slide your foot in. And we are going to zip up. No need to undo the buckle at all. Pop the left on. And they're lined too, so they're nice and soft. They're not hard. Some shoes have that real wooden feeling. They don't have that at all. Zip straight up, no need to undo the buckle. Love these. Now they are a 6-inch heel with a platform. Nice high platform too. And again, don't be afraid of a platform. Don't look at a shoe with a platform and think, oh, I'll never be able to walk or dance in that. It's actually the opposite. They do create some stability for you. If you were to have a 6-inch heel without a platform, you'd basically be on your tippy toes. So the platform does actually make them much more stable. I love this mesh. The mesh is amazing. Such a good feature. So these would look gorgeous with any outfit, but love my leather jacket and jeans, and I think these go perfectly with that. Even a nice little leather skirt. Look at that. Look at that light being picked up by the mesh. Gorgeous. And they're matte too. They're a matte black. Which is good because you don't want the shoe to take away from the mesh we have here. Super simple to walk in. As you can see, I'm not having any issues whatsoever. I always joke and say I could run a marathon in heels, but I think I might have been born in heels. Super comfortable, super simple to walk in. Because they are higher up, your ankle is fully enclosed, so they feel really sturdy. Like you can dance all night in these, you're not going to fall over. Super comfortable and super high. I love a high heel because I'm not the tallest, and it just makes me feel, makes my legs look a bit longer. Well, a lot longer actually. So as you can see, easy to walk in on concrete, carpet, all surfaces. They're not slippery at all. They've got the grip base. It's like a ribbed rubber almost, but not sticky. Love this mesh. So good. And like I said, not having to undo the buckle is great, but it adds an awesome detail. And the little cutouts here too. And they are an open toe to show off that pedicure. So these would be a favourite for me to wear with leather, whether it be jeans and a leather jacket or even a leather skirt. I just think they've got that real vibe to them. And I love that they're matte black too. But here's the bottom that I was talking about. It's a little bit of rubber just for that added security. So they really are super safe, and you will not fall over in heels this high. Don't think that you will. Don't be afraid to give them a go. Love those ones, guys. If you like them as much as I do, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you know when a new video is coming out, and give us a big thumbs up. See you next time.